Are you aware that the Financial Minister of India has presented the interim budget for 2024? I'll be highlighting the crucial points that you shouldn't
The
miss.
Minister firmly believes we need to focus on four major castes. They are Garib, Mahilaye, Yuva and Annadata.
Understanding the budget is key to making better investments. This video provides a summary of interim budget, highlighting the key points and exploring investment opportunities across various sectors. We'll cover two steps. Step 1, interim budget overview. Step 2, sectors highlighted in the budget.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Step 1, budget overview. An interim budget is a short-term financial statement that allows for the smooth functioning of the government until a new administration can present a full budget for the entire fiscal year. A regular budget outlines the country's economic and financial trajectory for the entire financial year. The interim budget, on the other hand, gives an outline of the same only for the transition period.
Wow! Very dangerous!
Major key points are developed India by 2047 using various schemes from the government. The main focus is on people-centric inclusive development, including the development of both physical and digital infrastructure, broadening the tax base, strengthening the financial sector, and implementing proactive measures for inflation management. Focus areas in this budget are poverty and farmer welfare. Let us see some details about poverty. Aim is to move 25 crore people out of multi-dimensional poverty. Direct benefit transfer of 2.7 lakh crores to the deserving people is another key initiative. In addition to above mentioned initiatives, the government is providing credit assistance to 78 lakh street vendors, imparting training to 1.4 crore youth as a part of Skill India mission, and sanctioning loans worth 43 crores under the PM Mudra Yojana. This scheme facilitates micro enterprises in obtaining loans up to 10 lakhs from banks without requiring collaterals. Along with poverty, the government is interested in addressing farmers' problems. Welfare of farmers, also called Annadata, giving financial assistance to 11.8 crore farmers. As if it is not enough, government also provides crop insurances to 4 crore farmers and helping them sell the produced goods using integrated mandis. Interim budget report shows women workforce is increased drastically. To make it moving, government is encouraging women's entrepreneurs by giving loans. Strategy for Amrit Kaal has 4 components. First one is sustainable development, which includes commitment to meet net zero by 2070, rooftop solarization, adoption of e-buses for public transport network, strengthening e-vehicle ecosystem by supporting manufacturing and charging stations. Second component is infrastructure and investment. For example, implementation of 3 major railway corridor programs under PM Gati Shakti to improve logistics efficiency and reduce cost. If you think this is very good, wait for a moment. Expanding current airports and building new ones under the Udan scheme, along with encouraging urban changes through metro rail development. The rise in capital expenditure signals increased infrastructure development in India. The budget comprising various components. This information is detailed with examples in the video linked in the info card for the comprehensive understanding. Other notable improvements include physical infrastructure such as national highways, cargo traffic at major ports, electrified rail routes, aircraft movement, and the number of airports. Inclusive development. Launching the aspirational district program to speed up development and create jobs in states. Also promoting cervical cancer vaccination for girls aged 9 to 14 years. Supporting housing initiatives via Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and urging states to enhance iconic tourist centers to boost local businesses and entrepreneurship. Additionally, providing long-term interest-free loans to states and improving port connectivity for islands like Lakshadweep. Agriculture and food processing. Investing in post-harvest activities. introducing nano-DAP fertilizer in various climate zones, initiating a program for dairy development, and working towards improving aquaculture productivity. Additional highlights include a decrease in current account deficit, a decline in unemployment rate, a reduction in non-performing assets, an increase in volume of digital transaction, a rise in GST collections, and the fall in headline inflation. Allocation for specific ministries is as follows, with the Ministry of Defense receiving the highest allocation, indicating substantial growth in the defense sector. Allocations to major schemes including funding for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Scheme, Ayushman Bharat for medical, PLA schemes for manufacturing, development of semiconductor display manufacturing ecosystem, promotion of solar power and advancements in green hydrogen initiatives. Revenue receipts encompassing both tax and non-tax revenues shows a rising trend compared to previous years. On the other hand, revenue expenditures including pensions and salaries for government employees are also rising. Capital receipts, primarily borrowings, are decreasing, while capital expenditures directed towards buildings, machinery, and health facilities are on the rise. Step 2. The highlighted sectors in focus include digital infrastructure, financial sector, renewables like wind, solar, e-buses and biomanufacturing, infrastructure like railways, airports and metro, also tourism, agriculture and food processing. I have created a dedicated video for stock analysis featuring selected stocks from 4 of the mentioned sectors. You can find the link in the description or in the info card. Subscribe to Eagle Finance for more financial content.